Hello, welcome back. Make sure you go and also take break because I took 20 minutes break. Make sure you also take 20 minutes break if you have not done that. Okay? Because this video is long. Okay. So, we're done with the hero section. We've created our transparent header. Let's change our text here and here. After that, we will change this to look something like this. Okay, so here the background is some it looks like, is it indigo or blue? All right, and here black. Okay, so we're going to make sure we design it this way. Is this like Photoshop? If you have used Photoshop or Canva, you can also build this. It's not that complicated, guys. All right, so we're going to do that. And next one we're going to do is order now. So this button, we want to change it to order now. So let me close some of the tabs to reduce okay. So this is the button we want to change, so you just click on it, or this pencil icon, you click on it, and you can see here this text. Make sure you change, you put your order now here. So order now, and it has changed. Order now. It's not complicated. Now you link it to your pricing page. Okay, so your pricing page, let's do that. So this is our pricing page. So go ahead and copy this link address and then go back and paste it here, so that your client will be redirected to your pricing page. And you make sure to update. And here I want to show you how to create an anchor menu. That means when they click on it, it will scroll, give them a scroll effect. Let me show you. So when they click, you see that it will scroll to that portion of it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that one too. And you can see this, just click on it and you see this link. Enter some text. It's an ID. Okay, and the ID is maybe scroll. Okay, but make sure this in small letters. Okay, scroll. Let's leave it like this. This is how I spell my scroll. So, and copy the scroll. Okay, so it's SCROL. You can also name anything you want. Okay, you can also name it as solo, anything. Just make sure it's unique. Okay, and then just leave it like that. All right, now save the changes, just update it, and after you update it, scroll to the part you want it to send you. Okay, so let's say you want it to scroll to this part. Okay, if that's the case, then you need to, you see this here, just click on that. All right, and then go down. You see menu anchor. You see this menu anchor, just grab it. Okay, drag it, and then you see that, you see some action here. You see that blue line, just leave it there. All right, and then enter your, let me send you back. I'll send you back. You see here, you see the link, you see this solo, enter solo, only the solo, the text without the hash. So go back, you see click on it again. Okay, so you click on it and then enter solo. So enter solo and then save it. Okay, so save it, and after that, let's check how it will work. Let's wait for it. Let's click on it and see, will it scroll? And when you look below this page, you can see that guess here, this part, you see that there's an anchor text there. Okay, hash solo. So when you click on it, you see that it will take you to that part. All right, so that's how you do that. Okay, so we are done with that thing. Now the next thing we want to do is to change this background to blue. So you just click on it. Okay, you can also click on this pencil if you want. You can also click here. Okay, so we want to click here. We don't want to remove this image, so click here and then you go to style, you go to here, you can change your overlay color to maybe blue, white, whichever color you want. But to the left, you see that one is white. Okay, let's go back to let me send it back to okay. So that one is black. All right, so we go back and then okay, so this one is black, so you choose this one. All right, so this is what we want to change, this column. All right, so here, and then you can choose your background color, black. Okay, so that one is black. The next one we want to do is this one. You see this one? Click on that one too here, and this time, because they use an image for it, just delete it, just delete it completely. All right, we have deleted it and it's now white. We don't want white, we want to change to something like this. Okay, but make sure you have uniform color. Okay, color combination. Good. And you can enter your text here and describe your service the same way you do for this. All right, so also just leave this one as it is because it's already white. But in my demo, let me see. Okay, so in my demo I should change it, so let's also change it. So click on this, and then this time instead of blue, we're not going to take black, so it will be like this, cross multiplication. So this is black. So you click on it and you go to style and you go to background type and you go to a color, and this time is what? Black. Okay, so this one is black, and the same way we do to the right hand. Click here and you see this image, just remove it, delete it, just delete it, and then make sure you select your color as blue, and then select your color, but make sure your color is the same as this, and it's also the same as the hero section. Okay, and after that you also come here and you see this, click on it. You can come here, click on it, and here you'll be able to also change it to maybe, let's take a look. All right, so we're also going to change it to something like this. You can see, and you can also change your text and just customize it. Make sure you enter what you want to describe your service. Enter them here because the video is going to be long. Okay, and here you see this one, this section, just remove it. I don't want to use that, so you can remove it. You can also customize if you are comfortable with that. Okay, but in my demo I remove that, so just remove it and then update. So we are done with the home page, so we're going to the pricing page. Okay, so let's go to the pricing page. So we'll go back and click here and then go to pages. So we'll click on dashboard. We're going to the dashboard to change things. So we go to pages, all pages, and my network is now good. Okay, so don't worry again. So go to open a new tab See? All right. Now the next thing we want to do is to just like we are repeating what we did for the home page. So that means here we're going to click on what? Edit with what? Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. Wait for it. So Elementor is loading. In real time, Elementor is loading. Let's wait for it a moment. Good. And later we'll change this copyright thing here, and we change it to our website name and not the Astra team copyright text. So again, you click on what? Starter template. Come here and go to free and scroll down, and the thing was tech startup. Okay, and here is it. Okay, and you see this is the present page we're editing, so we're on the right page, and you click on it again, and you see this time choose plans. Okay, so you click on it, and this is how the plans look like, and we're going to edit this one too. So just import template and wait for it to import. So wait for it. Imported successful. It will reload, and here we go. Okay, so now this is where we're going to be customizing our pricing page. So again, you click on this and then go to style, and you see this image, you remove it. Okay, you can put your okay, the overlay, the background overlay, you can also remove that one too as well. All right, so now you have a blank slate. There's nothing like image here again, so we can go back to the background. All right, and then here you can see classic, and you see color. So the color, change it to blue, and then blue. Okay, so just make sure you play with it. Choose your favorite colors, please. Do not copy me. You can choose green, whichever color you want to choose, you can choose. Okay, all right, it's simple. It is very simple working with Elementor, but because I'm looking at my demo to build the site or teach you, I'm going to be using the colors I have used already. So I'm going to be using this. All right, so let's go back. Here we go, here, and then choose. Okay, so this color is okay. Make sure you edit this and customize. Very simple, and then when you come down here, you can now start adding your prices, and you can also copy from your okay, let me show you. Let me just go back to the Fiverr and then show you. Okay, so this is what I am going to use. Okay, so basic is $5. So I'll copy this text. I'll copy that. I can also type it if I wish, and then come here and click on the pencil, and to your left you can see here, just paste it there. So just paste it here. All right, and your price, click on the pencil again, and then choose from $5 how much profit do you want to make. If it's $10 or $20, then you put that here. In my case, I want to make $20 profit from this because he is offering it for $5, and I will resell it for what, 25. And when I get the order, I will place an order on this website, and then leaving the difference, or keeping the difference, and the difference will now be mine. Okay, and this is a legal business. There's nothing illegal about this. All right, so 5, I will change it to 25. So 25. And you see this per month. Okay, you see this per month thing. Make sure you remove it. Okay, so make sure you remove it. You can right click on it and then go to what, delete. So working with Elementor is very, very, very simple. And here you can change it from free to what, basic. So you can copy everything from the right, directly from Fiverr, and then paste it on this page. So paste from basic here. I'm now changing it to standard. I'm now changing it to standard, and to your left, standard. And the price, I also remove the per month because it's not a recurring thing. Okay, it's not a subscription base. This one to the same thing. Right click and delete. Then we change this price to from 20. Let me look at what I am. So here, so 60. I'll go back, change it to what, 60, and make sure this one too, you change the package name, and this one is premium or pro. Okay, go back and then go to full access and change it to premium. And here you are offering it, you give your price, but in my case it is 100, like this. And you enter your things here. That's your description. This is the description, and this is what you're offering, or what this package will give. That's website to Android app and iOS. Copy that, and then you go back to the 100 place, and that is it. So you click on this icon, or just click directly, and then to your left, you can see, you can't change it here. Okay, all right. And the standard will be website to Android and iOS. Okay, and website to Android and iOS. Okay, it is what it is. So website to Android and iOS. So copy here, and then you come here, click, and you paste. So I hope you now get the concept. It's very, very simple. And you can also do the same thing. Click here, and then you change everything here, and make sure you change everything. Now I will not be able to do every single thing here. It will take 10 hours. We'll just waste our own time here. So let me just change 2 things here, and then 2 things here, and then you now use that knowledge, you replicate that to do the rest. So first thing first, we're going to look at the basic plan, and the basic plan will give you okay, it's still level with this one. Okay, so copy that, go back, and then let me look at this again. Okay, I'll come here. Okay, all right, so you leave some space, and then you paste it here. Okay, and then because I have italicized it, you can also italize it. So it's just like text document, Word, Microsoft Word. So you can italize it, you can make it bold, you can underline it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. Very, very simple. Now after that, you come here and just click on it. Now let's go and see what that package offers. So it's given one operating system, app icon, splash screen. Yeah, so you can copy that, and then come back here, and then you can see immediately you click on it, you see to your left, click on it, and then you can change that text here, just like this. You see that? So the next one is that's here. So smart notification, just remove it and then change it to app icon. Copy that, come back and change it to app icon. So paste it here and you can see app icon. So that's it. And those that are crossed out, yeah, so you can also do that here. If you want to delete anything here, you see this cross, this close thing, you can click here to remove. It's as simple as that. And if you want to ever add something in this list too, just click on it, just like what you did for the top one, the same thing. So you click on it and then go to your page, and what he's not offering, you copy that, and then make sure you paste it, and that is it guys. It's so simple. Now finally, I'm going to show you how to add your payment links here, and here, and after that we say bye bye to this video. And after I say bye bye to this video, I'll be talking about the next video that will be showing you how to promote this business for free. Okay, so you click on the button and you can see there's a place for link here, and here I'm going to be showing you how to integrate PayPal payment invoice for yourself. Just like here, when you come to my website and you go to the basic plan and you click, you can see that it will take you to PayPal invoice page where they can pay you via PayPal. And this is PayPal, and here we go. So they can click on pay now and pay you directly. Okay, so whichever payment system you are using, there's a place you can click and then create a payment link, and then after you create a payment link, you just copy that link, you copy it and throw it inside. So you can make a Google search how to create PayPal payment link, and then it will show you how to do that step by step. That is very simple. So you pause this video and watch that for yourself. Okay, and then you copy that link and make sure you go ahead and then paste it here. After you click on the button, then you paste it here. Okay, the same way applies to the other link. Just make sure you also do the same. Click on it. All right, just click on it and also paste your link. But make sure when you are setting your payment link, make sure you also add the prices attached. I'll make separate video. I don't know the time, but I will make the separate video showing you how to create PayPal payment links and other payment links for yourself. So also remember to check the channel or check on YouTube on how to do that for yourself. But if you cannot wait, I will create video for you maybe within the week or someday showing you how to do this. So if you're not a subscriber already, subscribe. So the same way for your second package, you create a separate link, and then you during the creation you add your price and you paste that link here too. And the third link, you also do the same. You create the link, give your link a price. Maybe that link will be $100, depending on the price you are setting for your business. Make sure your payment, you add $100 there. Okay, and then click on it and make sure you paste it here. After that, just update the changes. So if you update these changes, that means if you go back to the website, let's reload, open this website in a new tab. If you go back to this website and then click on order now, because we have linked it to our pricing page, it will take us to our packages, and you can see, and you see the background color is not all that compatible, it's not clear, so you can also change that here. Let's just do that right now. So let's go back to the top of the website and click here, and then make sure here under style. Okay, so under style, make sure choose your color and then choose your color. and for some reason it is not responding. Okay, let me see. That was overlay. I don't want to use an overlay, so maybe let's clear it. I don't want to use an overlay. So for now, just do not use overlay. Okay, so here, make sure you go back to background, right? Just background on top, and then you choose your color. Okay, I want it to be like this. Okay, if not, it will be, the text will not be legible. All right, so that is it. Okay, let's now look at our website. Let's reload it again and see the effect after changing the color. And you can see, I think this looks better. All right, now you scroll down, and when you click on this link, it takes you to your payment link you created with the payment provider you choose, be it Stripe, PayPal, Flutterwave, Paystack, authorized.net, whichever payment provider you choose to create your payment link. Just paste that here right now. All right, and below you can also make edits to this or just delete it completely. Okay, let me also show you how you can copy things from this part, different page, to from one page to the other. So I'm going to copy this section. Guess here I'm going to copy this, so just right click on it, this block. Okay, all right, so I'm going to copy this, so you right click on it and copy it, and then we go back to the pricing page and you scroll down. You can see this close, make sure you see this plus, make sure you click on it, and then right click on this box. Okay, just right click on it and then paste. After you paste, I want you to close this text, the design below, so it's gone. And then make sure you edit things here and then update the changes. Okay, all right, now you can see this image. Let me show you a website where you can go to get images for your website if you want to do that. Okay, go ahead and type on draw illustrations, just like this, on draw illustrations on Google, and this will give you lots of illustrations to use on your website. So depending on the category of website you are creating, you can get a lot of illustrations for your website. Okay, so you can decide to use this mobile application. So let's deploy it, and then you can download it as an image. Okay, guess this one to use for your website. You can also change the color if you want to change, so you can change color here. If your website color is green, you can change that there. So that's a nice resource for you to use to make your website look amazing. And you can also make use of this search box to also search for things you are looking for. If you are looking for maybe something like the globe, you can search for that. Money, you can search for that. Anything you want to search for, you can search for that here. Okay, and that is very interesting. All right, so these are illustrations. Okay, so I think I've covered a lot about this. So in the next video I will be talking about, let me check. All right, how to promote your business on Facebook for free, and also on classified as website. So I'm going to be talking about classified as websites. You can promote your business for free and then get sales. All right, so thank you very much for sticking with me till this far. Hoping to see you in the next video. Bye bye.